Unifi BCAD2 Breakout 20 PMS follows a unique idea, investing in companies emerging from long periods of business consolidation. Nearly 74% of the portfolio is invested in mid and small cap stocks, making it very different from a typical mutual fund. But the real question is, has this differentiated strategy generated enough alpha to justify its 2% annual fee? This video analyzes the performance of the fund. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. First, let us look at the fund's snapshot. AMC Unifi Capital, inception January 2022, benchmark S&P BSE 500 TRA, AUM 378 crores, minimum investment rupees 50 lakhs, portfolio 20 stocks, fixed fee 2%, performance fee 20% above and 8% hurdle, exit load nil. Portfolio allocation, small cap 56%, mid cap 18%, large cap 22%, cash 4%. Key observation is the portfolio is genuinely differentiated and provides meaningful exposure to emerging businesses that are commonly found in diversified mutual funds. Investment philosophy, invest in businesses expected to benefit from a business cycle breakout after consolidation. Follows a concentrated portfolio of about 20 stocks, focuses on identifying future leaders before earnings growth become widely recognized. Next, let us look at the suitability. PMS may be suitable for investors with a 5+ year investment horizon, investors seeking genuine mid and small cap exposure, investors comfortable with higher volatility, and investors looking for a differentiated satellite allocation. This PMS may not be suitable for investors expecting consistent benchmark outperformance, investors with a short investment horizon, investors already really invested in mid and small cap funds, investors uncomfortable paying premium fees without clear alpha. Next, performance review, key numbers, negative alpha over 6 months, 1 year, 2 years and 3 years. Since inception, alpha is only 0.26% over the benchmark. Here are the key observations. Recent underperformance has been consistent across multiple time periods. The since inception outperformance is marginal and largely driven by one exceptional year. Next, calendar year performance, strong year 2024, 38.20%. Recent years performance has moderated significantly after 2024. Recent returns have trailed the benchmark. The impressive since inception number is heavily dependent on a single outstanding year rather than sustained alpha generation. Next, fee reality, fixed fee 2% annually, performance fee 20% above 8% hurdle. Next, let us look at an illustration. If I invest rupees 50 lakhs, what would be the value after 5 years? Unifi PMS 77.63 lakhs, passive index fund 93.39 lakhs. After 7 years, Unifi PMS 92.58 lakhs and passive index fund 1.19 crores. The projected difference, after 5 years, passive index fund may create approximately 15.8 lakhs more wealth, and after 7 years, the difference increases to around 27.3 lakhs. Key observation, the strategy has not generated enough recent alpha to comfortably offset the annual management fee. Even after accounting for the strategy's differentiated portfolio, recent performance suggests passive alternatives may currently offer better net outcomes. Next, zero-based thinking test. Ask yourself, if I had rupees 50 lakhs today, would I still choose this PMS? Think about negative alpha across multiple periods, since inception alpha of only 0.26%, the 2% annual fee and availability of lower cost alternatives. If the answer is no, review the allocation objectively, not because of past decisions but because capital should always be allocated where future outcomes appear stronger. Next, decision factors scorecard. First, let us look at the positives and then we can move on to negatives. First, positives, genuine small and mid cap differentiation, clear and disciplined investment philosophy, concentrated high conviction portfolio, no exit load. The performance fee may not have triggered for many investors. Concerns, negative alpha across 6 month, 1 year, 2 year and 3 year. Since inception alpha of just 0.26%. Recent performance depends heavily on one strong year. 2% annual fee remains a meaningful drag. 5-year performance history is not yet available. Next, the core portfolio architecture question. Ask yourself, does this PMS genuinely improve your portfolio? Its 74% allocation to mid and small cap offers differentiation that many large cap portfolio lack. However, differentiation alone is not enough. It must also deliver superior net returns after fees. What a genuinely complementary PMS looks like. A quality satellite PMS should offer exposure unavailable through mutual funds, generate consistent net of fee alpha, have low portfolio overlap, add meaningful diversification, and justify higher fees through sustained performance, not just a differentiated portfolio. Next, exit consideration. There is no exit load. Taxation. Long-term capital gains above Rs 1.25 lakhs taxed at 12.5%. Short-term capital gains taxed at 20% plus cess. Stocks are held directly in the investor's name. Here is a practical tip. With no exit load and limited performance fee impact, investors have the flexibility to review the strategy without additional exit cost. Here is a quick summary: what works and what doesn't work. What works: genuine 74% mid and small cap allocation, clear breakout investing philosophy, no exit load, concentrated differentiated portfolio, access to companies often unavailable in traditional portfolios. What doesn't work: negative alpha across 6 month, 1 year, 2 year and 3 year. Since inception, alpha is only 0.26%. Recent performance relies heavily on one exceptional year. 2% annual fee reduces already limited alpha. 5-year performance track record is still unavailable. Here are the key takeaways. BCAD2 Breakout 20 has underperformed its benchmark across 6 month, 1 year, 2 year and 3 year periods. The since inception alpha of 0.26% is modest and largely driven by financial year 2024's 38.20% return. The 2% annual fee can reduce investors' wealth. Based on recent trend, a low-cost index fund could potentially create 15.8 lakhs more wealth over 5 years and 27.3 lakhs more over 7 years. The portfolio remains genuinely differentiated with a 56% small cap and 18% mid cap exposure. With no exit load and a limited operating history, investors can review the strategy objectively without additional exit cost. Here is our final verdict. Unifi BCAD2 Breakout 20 is a genuinely differentiated PMS with a clear investment philosophy and meaningful mid and small cap exposure. However, differentiation alone is not enough. The strategy has consistently underperformed its benchmark over recent periods, and the modest 0.26% since inception alpha does not yet justify the 2% annual fee. For investors, the decision is not whether the investment thesis is sound, but whether this particular strategy at its current cost and a recent track record remains the best place for their capital today. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.